guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So the long awaited turban tutorial is here, the bridal turban tutorial. We are going to be tying this today, this style of turban everybody has been waiting for. My Instagram, the DMs and all that I've been receiving about this turban. So guys, as you can see, it's not up to like a 5-minute video. I think it's a 5-minute video rather. So yeah, let's get started. So if you're joining us here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, and you're welcome to the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So as you can see, I'm going to be starting off the turban. I'll be doing a 70-30 part turban. First of all, I'll be using the shorter hand first, and it's going to be a V-shaped turban on the front. The frontal part of the turban is going to be a V-shaped turban. So I will be folding, I'll be pleating, I'll be making 4 pleats and bringing the shorter hand behind her ears. You are supposed to have somebody else hold it for you, but I don't want I don't even have anybody there. So I decided to just press it down with my other hand. Can you see that? You have to make sure the turban is firm. I'm using a Dupion raw silk. So as you can see, I just rolled the longer hand behind on top of the smaller hand. So I'll just bring that up to the top of the V. I don't even know how to explain this, but sure you guys are understanding. I just rolled the longer hand after making 4 pleats. Also, I'm going to be bringing that up, and yeah, I'll start pinning that down. So the remnants of the turban, you see, you can even tie this with a small turban. So I'm just going to be folding that up, everything. I'll be bringing it up to the front. Can you see that? Then I'll be pinning that down. So just to make it firm, I'll do that again to make sure the shorter hand is also there. So as I'm putting the pin on the turban now, I'll be pressing that down. Sorry, you guys did not see where I pinned it, but something happened. My camera went off. I had to go turn it on and I came back. So can you see how I just twisted that? And I'll be twisting this other part of the turban too. Can you see? I just made like a twist with the remnants of the turban. It's very easy, guys. So yeah, can you see that? I'm just making a petals, like a rose petal. I would basically just do that now again. So yeah, can you see the way I'm placing the pin? I'm just holding it down tightly so it doesn't look loose, and even if the bride is dancing, you don't want it to be loose. So you see the way I make the petals now. Can you see? I'm just using the remnants of the raw silk to do that. So guys, and voila, that's it for today. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. This is Hadidi Makeovers once again. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next week, Tuesday. Bye.
you.